Does your video scene feel flat when trying to show a dizzy or surreal perspective? Do not worry. In this CapCut tutorial for beginners, you will learn how to make a trippy drunk effect in CapCut Mobile to create a dizzy, chaotic scene. First, open your video project, tap on Effects at the bottom toolbar, and then tap on Video Effects. Now, tap on the search bar, type Trippy, and select the Trippy effect to add wavy distortion over your video. Tap on Adjust. To control the speed and distortion, drag the speed slider to the right for a more chaotic, dizzy look. Here is a secret pro tip. For high-quality CapCut video editing, tap on your video clip, slow down the speed slightly, and add a touch of motion blur. This creates a double vision trail that feels truly dizzy and realistic. Now, tap on the check mark and press play to review your trippy video scene. To continue learning from our full course, check the playlist link in the description below.